Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time since I posted, but you guys, I'm back now and I'm here to show you guys how I made this amazing hair growth oil that my hair has been loving. Anywho, let's get started. Okay guys, so I'm going to be showing you the herbs that I used to make this amazing hair oil. And yeah, the first one is clove, and then I added fenugreek seed. If you know me, you know that I love fenugreek seed because it helps to thicken my hair, and I love to incorporate it in almost all my DIYs. Okay, and then I'm going to be adding fennel seed. Fennel seed is something that I've been experimenting and I think my hair love it. Okay, and then I'm going to be using black seed, rosemary. You all, like, I love rosemary because like it helps to stimulate hair growth. And then I'm going to be adding flaxseed because this oil actually helps to nourish and moisturize the scalp and your hair. So yeah, don't skip flaxseed. Okay, and then I added hibiscus flower, I added moringa, bunch of moringa leaf. I also added star anise. Okay, and then I added bay leaf and some cinnamon, pieces of cinnamon sticks. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do now is to add all these herbs into my blender to crush them to somehow powder like before I'll go in and add the powder ingredients. So please don't go nowhere. All right my loves, hope you guys have been doing well. Like, let me tell you, I missed you. I miss being here and interacting with you guys. And yeah, I hope you all are doing really well. Okay, all right, so now that I finished blending everything, this is what it looks like. Like I said, I wasn't really going for perfection. You could see that piece of hibiscus flower still hanging in there. All right guys, so now the next powder that I'm going to add is amla powder. So I added 1 tablespoon of amla powder, and then I'm going to add my neem powder. Okay, I added full tablespoon of my neem powder, and then I'm going to mix it all up so that all the powders will combine together. Okay, after combining the powder, I'm going to now transfer it to a different plate because I'm going to be doing a double boiling method to steam my oil. Okay, you can actually pour your oil and then cover it and allow it to sit for 7 days to 1 month if you wish, if you have the time. But I really wanted, like, I ran out of everything from my hair butter to leave-in to oil, everything. Okay, so I really needed the oil as fast as possible, and so that is why I am going to be using the double boiling method because it's a fast method. Okay, so I poured in the remaining powders because I wanted the oil to be thick, as you saw in the beginning of the video. Okay, all right, so I'm going to now mix and marry everything all together, and yeah, this is what it looks like. Okay, so now it is time to do the double boiling method. Please make sure that you add enough water so that it will steam properly, and also make sure to turn it to stir it from time to time so that the powder will not just settle down. Okay, all right, now when I brought it down, I left it for I think 2 days or so because I got busy. Now as a result of that, the powder settled down to the bottom of the plate. Okay, so what you do is mix it all up so that you distribute the powders, and then it's time to extract the oils. Guys, like, this part happens to be my favorite. I love the way the oil just drips. Like, I should just like pour it on my hair directly. Okay, So I'm going to just squeeze and extract on my oil. Can you see the richness of this oil already? Later on, I'm going to add my essentials, so please just keep on watching. And if you're enjoying the video so far, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, okay? And you can save the video so that you can, come back to this. Also, you can share it to anyone you feel need to see how to make this oil, okay? So now I'm going to add vitamin E oil, and then I'm going to add my castor oil and followed with a lavender oil, okay? I love to add lavender just because of how nice it smells, and again it helps to condition the hair. Now I'm going to add my tea tree essential oil. I love to use tea tree essential oil just because of how good it is to the scalp. And now I'm going to mix it up together. Guys, if you're looking to start your own hair oil business at home, guys, this recipe that I just shared with you is a great recipe to start. The only place where you have issue is getting your oils, because I tell you, oils are very expensive, seriously. But if you're able to get your oils, the combination of these herbs makes a very wonderful oil for hair. And guys, just mix it, allow it to sit for at least 1 month, and yeah, you already started yourself a hair oil business at home. Right, my loves, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and yeah, fingers crossed, I'm going to see you guys sooner than expected. I love you all so much. Thank you for watching, and God bless you.